Welcome, fellow adventurers, to Traveling Kangaroo, the channel where we hop into the most beautiful and livable cities across the globe. Today, we're taking a scenic leap into the heart of the American South, discovering the top 5 southern cities that blend stunning views, rich culture, and affordable living perfectly for 2025. If you're dreaming of a life where every day feels brighter and easier, stick around as we explore these southern gems that offer mountain serenity, coastal beauty, and historic charm without the hustle and chaos of big city life. Ready to jump in? Let's get started. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is Asheville, North Carolina, a city that's not just a place, but a vibe. Nestled in the breathtaking Blue Ridge Mountains, Asheville is a magnet for artists, musicians, food lovers, and outdoor adventurers alike. Imagine waking up to panoramic mountain views that change with every season on the famous Blue Ridge Parkway, often called America's favorite drive. Fall here is nothing short of spectacular, with fiery reds and golds lighting up the landscape. With a population of around 95,000, Asheville strikes the perfect balance between big city culture and small-town warmth. The median home price is about $450,000. A bit higher than some southern spots, but worth every penny when you consider the natural beauty surrounding you. Downtown Asheville bursts with energy. Think bustling farmers markets, street performers, and more breweries per capita than almost anywhere else in the country. Over 30 breweries fill the metro area, with craft beer fans hopping from tap to tap. Plus, the iconic Biltmore Estate adds a touch of grandeur to this eclectic city. Art thrives here too, from funky galleries in the River Arts District to bluegrass music echoing through mountain bars. And if you love outdoor activities like hiking, kayaking, or mountain biking, Asheville's your playground, with Pisgah National Forest and the French Broad River just minutes away. Number 4 on our list is Charleston, South Carolina, a city where history meets elegance and life truly feels like a postcard. With 155,000 residents, Charleston offers cobblestone streets lined with colorful row houses, horse-drawn carriages, trotting past stunning waterfront views, all wrapped in warm southern hospitality. The median home price here sits around $500,000. Yes, it's on the higher side for the South. But compared to coastal cities like Miami or San Diego, where prices can easily double that, Charleston is a real bargain for its charm and quality of life. Take a stroll through the historic district to admire Rainbow Row's pastel-colored homes, or visit stately plantations like Middleton Place. But Charleston isn't stuck in the past. It buzzes with a vibrant art scene, world-class dining featuring local seafood delicacies like crab soup and oyster roasts, and festivals like Spoleto Festival USA that bring international art and music every spring. Safety and walkability are high here. Neighbors know each other's names, and an evening stroll along the Battery waterfront feels like stepping into a storybook. Coming in at number 3 is St. Augustine, Florida, the oldest city in America, founded back in 1565. With just 15,000 residents, this charming small city packs a punch with its rich cultural tapestry and coastal beauty. Median home prices hover around $410,000. Surprisingly reasonable for a city boasting ocean views, Spanish colonial architecture, and a resort town vibe. Explore the historic district's narrow streets lined with boutiques, cafes, and galleries, or visit the iconic Castillo de San Marcos fortress, standing tall along the bay. St. Augustine is also home to stunning beaches like Anastasia State Park, where sunbathing, surfing, and kayaking are everyday pleasures. Food lovers will fall head over heels for dishes featuring fresh-caught seafood and Spanish-inspired tapas. Plus, the annual Nights Lights Festival transforms the city into a glowing wonderland during holidays, perfect for making magical memories. Our number 2 city is Franklin, Tennessee, a picturesque town just 20 miles south of Nashville that perfectly blends modern convenience with timeless southern charm. With a population of 85,000, Franklin offers tree-lined streets filled with impeccably preserved Victorian homes and a downtown straight out of a Hallmark movie. The median home price is close to $700,000. While that might seem steep at first glance, buyers are investing in one of the South's most desirable places to live, where value holds strong compared to luxury suburbs near major U.S. cities. Franklin's downtown district is the heart of this community, With boutique shops, antique stores, cozy cafes live music spilling from every corner. And deep roots in Civil War history with sites like Carter House drawing history buffs year-round. But Franklin isn't all about history. It's buzzing with new energy thanks to its growing creative class and proximity to Nashville's legendary music scene. The annual Pilgrimage Music Festival brings big-name artists and lively crowds each fall. Outdoor enthusiasts will love nearby Natchez Trace Parkway, offering miles of hiking, biking, and horseback riding trails. It's a storybook setting wrapped in culture and community, a true Southern gem. And finally, hopping into our #1 spot is Sarasota, Florida, a Gulf Coast paradise with just 55,000 residents but world-class appeal. Sarasota effortlessly combines white sand beaches like the famous Siesta Key Beach, known for its powdery white quartz sand that stays cool even under blazing sun, with turquoise waters and a vibrant art scene. The median home price here is around $515,000, luxury living at about half the price you'd pay in Naples or Santa Barbara. Sarasota isn't just about beach days. It's Florida's cultural capital, boasting Sarasota Opera, Ballet, and the Ringling Museum of Art. Downtown Sarasota keeps things lively with farmers markets, craft breweries, and waterfront dining along Bayfront Park. Nature lovers will find bliss at Myakka River State Park with kayaking, bird watching, and trails weaving through pristine landscapes. Healthcare here is top-notch too. Sarasota Memorial Hospital consistently ranks among the best in the state. Whether you're a retiree seeking sunshine and calm, or a young professional craving cultural richness alongside beach town vibes, Sarasota offers the perfect balance. So there you have it, the top 5 beautiful southern cities to live in 2025. From Asheville's mountain artistry to Sarasota's sun-soaked sophistication, these cities are hopping with opportunity and charm. If you loved this journey through southern living gems, make sure you subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo so you never miss an adventure. Follow us on social media for daily inspiration and head over to travelingkangaroo.com for more travel tips and guides. Thanks for hopping along with me today. Until next time, keep exploring and keep bouncing toward your next great destination.